Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the eye health protection on your TCL TV. So if you got eye problems or something, just press settings right here on your remote. And then we can go to picture options. And if we scroll on down, you might not be able to see it, but there is an option for eye health protection, aiming to enhance visual comfort and achieve healthier viewing experience. So just turn on the blue light filter right here, and that should ease your eye strain. Also, I suggest going to brightness right here and turning this down to maybe like 60. That's what works for me. And another thing I do is I turn off like all these dynamic stuff, dynamic tone map, adjust the balance between the brightness and details in HDR. So a lot of times I just like turn off all these extra features. Then also I will turn on game mode for my HDMI input selections. So the game mode pretty much disables all the extra enhancement features that modulate the screen in the background that cause a little bit of flickering that your eyes don't see natively, but they pick them up and detect it, and your eyes are going to strain quicker because of that, what's happening on the screen. So go and just turn on game mode if you can. Eye health protection, reduced brightness, but hopefully this fixes your eye problems watching TV.